Hey, don't mind me. I'm just wearing a red light helmet here during this video, getting some extra radiation and blood flow to my brain to boost my mitochondria. I wanted to share this because I'm just taking a look at our recent data analysis of some of our features that informs like our state of video marketing, state of VSL playbook of what is the best practices, what is the actual data that we've seen across hundreds of thousands of videos that have generated $3 billion in revenue. And we just came up with a new data method for analyzing these results. So previously we looked at all videos with a certain feature on, and then all videos with that same feature turned off. And we found out which ones would have the higher conversion rate, what are kind of the signals and best practices that we might be able to extrapolate from that to actually use with our biggest users in split tests where we're going up against other video players with accounts that we're trying to win. What is it going to take to actually crush in those split tests? And the problem with that approach before is that it's actually not a real split test because two different videos could just have wildly different conversion rates to start with. One could have a different call to action. One could be a lead gen funnel, and one could be like a direct to consumer funnel that's going to have a much lower conversion rate compared to lead gen. It could be like 0.5% compared to 10% or 20%. So anyways, what we came up with is that we're going to look at the same exact videos and see if they turned on the feature and then look at the conversion rate before and after they did that. Additionally, then we're going to cross-lay it with the data that we got in our original analysis, which is looking at all the videos with the feature on and all the videos with the feature off, and then seeing if the signal between those two different data analysis is the same. And what we're finding out is that in some cases, it absolutely is. And then in other ones, we might want to actually refine our model. So we have lots of data here and stuff that we're digging into. And it's pretty cool because this is going to be the next generation of how we're analyzing videos to make sure that people using Vidalytics are absolutely winning. So stay tuned for more on this. Additionally, one more thing that we're looking at is what percent of videos have an increase in conversion. So maybe, you know, this specific feature or strategy or tactic increases conversion rates on average across the board, but maybe that still happens in a minority of videos, meaning that like maybe 70% of videos actually have their conversion rate go down slightly, but then 30% have it go up, but it goes up higher than that 70% is dropping. So this is just different ways. And this is why this type of analysis has taken us years to produce, and a PhD statistician leading our business intelligence efforts, working with our product teams, engineers, marketers, etc., to really kind of figure this stuff out. Just cleaning the data and being able to even ask these questions is literally half of what this entire project took. So now we actually are at the point where we can actually slice and dice things in a very intelligent way that really no other video player on the planet can really do because of the data that we have and the position that we're in with the business intelligence type of analysis that we're doing. And a little bit of a sneak peek is that this is going to be the backbone of all of our AI that we're building right now. So that is going to be ready to be shown very soon. Couldn't be more excited about it. Just got a demo of it last week, and it's going to be sick. It's going to be an absolute game changer for all of video marketing.